Separate law courts in Nigeria have convicted and sentenced married couple, Ajah Johnson Uchenna and his wife, Rosemary Uchenna, to 17 and 5 years imprisonment following their involvement in illicit drugs activities, and a 42-year-old Indian lady, Neetu Neetu, convicted and sentenced to 15 years imprisonment with an option of fine to reduce the jail term to 5 years in accordance with some of the charges that earned her 10 years out of the 15 years total jail term awarded against her for bringing into Nigeria illicit drugs from Thailand, while a 42-year-old Angolan businessman, Mbala Dajou Abuba, was convicted and sentenced to 5 years imprisonment for making an attempt to ship hard drugs to Istanbul, Turkey. National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, in a news statement on Tuesday, said the agency also secured the final forfeiture of multi-billion naira Lagos hotel and cars used for illicit drug distribution. Details of the report reads verbatim below. A businessman, Ajah Johnson Uchenna, and his wife, Rosemary Uchenna, were on Monday, the 4th of August 2025 sentenced to a total of 22.5 years imprisonment by Justice Dian Dipeolu of the Federal High Court 8 in Lagos for dealing in illicit drugs. The couple was first arrested on Friday, the 13th of June by operatives of the Department of State Security, DSS, in Ajah area of the state and transferred to NDLEA along with 277.5 kilograms skunk, a strain of cannabis. While they were still being investigated in custody, credible intelligence revealed that the family business was going on in their house. This led to a raid of their home and a packing store where 231 kilograms of same substance was recovered by NDLEA operatives on Tuesday, the 1st of July. They were subsequently arraigned in charge number FHC L 632C 2025 at the Federal High Court Lagos on a 4-count charge bordering on conspiracy, dealing and storage of 414.2 kilograms of cannabis sativa. Delivering his judgment on the case on Monday, the 4th of August, Justice Dipeolu convicted Mrs. Rosemary Uchenna on counts 1, 2, and 3 and sentenced her to 17 years in prison without an option of fine, while her husband, Johnson Ajah Uchenna, was convicted and sentenced to 5 years imprisonment without option of fine on count 1 and 6 months in jail on count 4 with an option of 1 million naira's fine. In addition to the jail terms, the trial judge also ordered the sum of 3,407,000 naira, 3 nairas, 407,000.00, only recovered from the couple as proceeds of crime, be forfeited to the federal government. Similarly, a federal high court in Kano presided by Justice Simon Amobeda has convicted and sentenced a 42-year-old Indian lady, Neetu Neetu, to 5 years imprisonment for importing 72 parcels of heroin factory sealed in wafer wraps and packaged as chocolates, weighing 11 kilograms into Nigeria through the Malam Aminu Kano International Airport, Makia, Kano. The Class A drug consignment was recovered from Neetu's luggage after a thorough search, following processed credible intelligence, during an inward clearance of Qatar Airways Flight QR1431 from Bangkok, Thailand via Vietnam and Doha at the arrival hall of the Kano Airport on Friday, the 14th of March 2025. She was subsequently arraigned in charge number FHC per kilonewton, CR 65/2025 before Justice Amobeda, who eventually sentenced her to 10 years on 2 counts with an option of 2 million naira's fine. In like manner, a 42-year-old Angolan businessman, Mbala Dajou Abuba, was convicted and sentenced to 5 years in prison by Justice Muhammad Yunusa of a federal high court in Kano following his arrest and arraignment by NDLEA for ingesting 120 pellets of cocaine weighing 1.829 kilograms. Abuba, who is from the Zaire province in Angola, was arrested on Tuesday, the 25th of February 2025 at the screening point of the Kano Airport while trying to board Egypt Air Flight MS 880 to Istanbul, Turkey via Cairo. Equally, a federal high court in Enugu has convicted another drug trafficker, Christian Uchenna, on 2 counts of unlawful trafficking and possession of 11.20 kilograms of cocaine, brought against him by the NDLEA in charge number FHC, NCS, 9/2023. He was arrested on January 20, 2023 by NDLEA operatives at the Akanu Ibiam International Airport, Enugu, upon arrival from Brazil via Addis Ababa, Ethiopia with 11.20 kilograms of cocaine concealed in herbal tea sachets. He was subsequently arraigned before Justice M.G. Umar of the Federal High Court, Enugu, who eventually sentenced him to 3 years imprisonment on each count, totaling 6 years, while the sentence will run concurrently, effective from May 20, 2023. In yet another high-impact breakthrough in its ongoing war against illicit drug trafficking across Nigeria, the NDLEA has secured the final forfeiture of a multi-billion naira 80-room hotel and lounge in Victoria Island, Lagos, linked to an illicit drug trafficking cartel along with other assets. The 80-room hotel in Victoria Island, Lagos, used as cover for distributing illicit substances, was raided between Friday 25th and Saturday the 26th of April 2025 by NDLEA operatives who, after hours of combing the rooms, recovered 589 bags of Canadian Loud, a strong strain of cannabis with a total weight of 417.3 kilograms worth 1,042,500,000 naira, 1,042,500,000 nairas, only in street value. Forfeited along with the landed property situated at number 16 Waziri Ibrahim Street, off LC Femi Pierce Road, Victoria Island, Lagos, include Toyota Sienna vehicle marked KJA79HJ, Volkswagen delivery van numbered AAA 525 SHA, Kia Sorento car with plate number BDG 860GQ, black color Land Cruiser Prado with plate number AKD 472DZ, red color Grand Caravan Dodge with plate number AP 847YF, white color Mazda bus marked KTU 241 AAA, Mercedes-Benz truck with registration number ASB 500XY, gold color Toyota Corolla car with registration number EKY 295JT, ash color Sienna minibus, 84 television sets, 70 air new conditioners, and 13 new fridges. The final forfeiture orders were issued on Friday the 18th of July 2025 by Justice Ibrahim Ahmed Kala following the motion number FHC, L, MISC, 447/2025 filed by NDLEA. Reacting to the conviction and forfeiture court judgments, Chairman, Chief Executive Officer of NDLEA, Brigadier General Mohammed Baba Marwa, retired, commended the various commands of the agency, their officers and men that handled the various cases, as well as the judiciary for delivering prompt judgments to strengthen the deterrent effect of NDLEA efforts. Nothing serves the cause of justice more than when the criminal elements are given long jail terms and made to forfeit all they have acquired through the proceeds of their illicit drug trade, and we're happy with this kind of judicial pronouncements, which will not only encourage our men to do more but will have long-lasting impact on our drug control efforts, Marwa stated, as presented and made available by Femi Babafemi, Director, Media and Advocacy, NDLEA on Tuesday the 5th of August 2025.
Osazuwa Radio, bringing you the news in a more digital way.